Hey there, science fans, imagine this. You're enjoying a nice picnic, birds are singing, squirrels are, well, being squirrels, when suddenly, the sky blazes with light. It's not a bird, it's not a plane, it's a massive asteroid hurtling towards Earth. Now before you panic and grab your picnic basket to run for cover, let's learn a thing or two about these space rocks. First things first, what exactly is an asteroid? Well, picture a giant potato, but instead of being made of potato-y goodness, it's made of rock and metal. These cosmic potatoes are leftovers from the early days of our solar system, like space crumbs. Most of them hang out in the asteroid belt, a cosmic highway between Mars and Jupiter. But sometimes, these space travelers stray from their lane and come knocking on Earth's door. Now these aren't your ordinary backyard pebbles. Asteroids come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny specks of dust to behemoths bigger than mountains. And when I say behemoths, I mean it. Remember the dinosaurs? Well, let's just say a really big asteroid crashed their prehistoric party and it wasn't pretty, but hey, that's a story for another time. The good news is, scientists are always on the lookout for these celestial wanderers. They use powerful telescopes to track their movements and predict their orbits. Think of it like cosmic traffic control, but instead of cars, we're talking about space rocks that could make quite the entrance. Speaking of asteroids, let me introduce you to a friend of ours, Apophis. This bad boy caused quite a stir a few years back when scientists realized it was on a near-Earth trajectory. Don't worry though, it's not going to hit us, at least not for a very, very long time. But Apophis gives us a great opportunity to study these celestial objects up close and personal. Scientists estimate that Apophis is about 1,100 feet wide. That's longer than the Eiffel Tower is tall. And it's zipping through space at a cool 25,000 miles per hour. Now that's what I call a joyride. But even though Apophis won't be crashing our party anytime soon, it serves as a reminder that we share our cosmic neighborhood with these rocky relics from the past. Now let's talk about what would happen if an asteroid hit Earth. Remember those disaster movies with giant waves, earthquakes, and firestorms? Well, they're not too far off. The impact of an asteroid would release an enormous amount of energy, like a gazillion tons of TNT exploding all at once. We're talking massive earthquakes, tsunamis that could make the tallest buildings look like sandcastles, and shockwaves that could circle the globe multiple times. The dust and debris thrown up into the atmosphere would block out the sun, plunging the planet into darkness and causing global temperatures to plummet. It wouldn't be a good day for picnics, that's for sure. But hey, at least we'd finally have an excuse to use those emergency candles, right? And subscribe to Peaceful Beings for more.